following our channel for the last couple of years, I wanted to introduce you to the newest member of the For Travel's Sake family. If you've been watching our channel, you know that we have occasionally taken our Ford F350 diesel into some places that maybe the big pickup truck wasn't the best thing to have. Then while we were in Moab, we couldn't help thinking about Jeeps. So we searched Craigslist for old Jeeps, and we found a 1995 Wrangler near Quartzsite, Arizona.
You must be Roscoe. I know it. Hi, John. How are you? This is Catherine.
Hi, Roscoe.
We didn't want a project Jeep since we didn't have a garage. We wanted something cheap but well taken care of.
Hey, it rides a little smoother than that piece of junk we drove last night.
The old Jeep was in great shape and we liked it immediately. So after a little negotiating, it was ours.
Jeep, Jeep, riding in the Jeep.
Then it was time to see what our cheap Jeep could do. What we've learned in these few months with our old Jeep is that it is like an old canoe, or a well-worn pair of hiking boots, or a sweet old sailboat. It is good at just getting you out there, wherever you want to go, and sometimes beyond that. It has helped us to discover places we didn't know existed. It's a time machine, a magic carpet, an old biplane. Being in it gets you into beautiful places. But even more than that, it enhances the experience and adds to the beauty around you. We didn't spend a lot on our cheap Jeep, yet it's proven itself to be priceless. And we can't wait to see where it takes us next.